Java. Kafka is nowhere related to Java. It can be used in Java and non-Java environment. JMS purely can be used in Java environment. That is the reason why Kafka is becoming popular, right? Apache Kafka is all about store the speakers, separate speakers. పైన అడిగితే store the message, process the message, and what? Integrate the message. Here, integrating message is nothing but what, guys? Here, what? Integrating message is nothing but what, guys? Come on. Transferring the message. What, guys? Transferring the message. Okay. Syed, do you think chat box is visible for you? For online student, no chat box now. Why are you worried about that? Kafka is, Syed, except subject, you have a number of doubts. Huh? Kafka is basically used to transfer data or message between what? Between multiple complex applications or system using what? Cluster designing. Chat box is visible today, na? How come? How come chat box is visible? Generally, daily it is not visible, na? I don't know why. Okay, now it should be okay. Yeah, if visible, enjoy the screen. If visible, enjoy, because anyhow offline students are having chat box, you also will have chat box. What's there in that? Yeah, Kafka is used to multiple complex system, nothing but projects using what design pattern? Cluster design pattern. What design pattern? Cluster. Set of similar items is called what? Cluster. Account 1, account 2, account 3, one cluster. And a set of same items is called cluster, guys. AC cluster. Multiple ACs together is called AC cluster. Multiple plots together is called as what? Plot cluster. Okay, that's great. Kafka integration or interaction with non-Java application is possible with the support of what? REST calls. Kafka is protocol independent. We can write code to send messages among the application using what? HTTP, TCP, FTP, and etc. protocol. Are you getting my point? Super, guys. Tell me next one. Kafka allows to take multiple message broker software, MOM software. Not one message, multiple message broker software at a time as a cluster, having the support of what? Horizontal scaling, giving following advantages. Array, in JMS environment, we can have one MOM software, but here we can have multiple MOM software. So that means if one MOM's file is failed, other MOM will be there in the picture or not there. If one MOM software is failed, other MOM software will be there in the picture or not. MOM means mummy, daddy, mama, or message oriented middleware. Here, MOM means message oriented middleware. Okay, guys, tell me. Fast data transfer for large data set are what? Messages. No data loss, even one, no data loss. Even one message broker software or MOM software is down because the other, tell me, software or MOM software take care of what? Messages. No data loss. Even though one message broker software is down, because the other message broker software will take care of the things are not there, guys. It takes the support of Apache Zookeeper to handle the load balance among the multiple instances of message broker softwares or what? MOM software. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super. Apache Zookeeper is like what? Netflix Eureka server. What server? Apache Zookeeper is like Netflix Eureka server. See, multiple MOM software together call as multiple MOM software together is called as what, guys? Message broker server cluster or MOM software cluster. In JMS, biggest problem is one mom software for multiple senders and receivers, right? But here we can have multiple instances of mom software having clustering. So if one mom software is there, okay, one mom software is down, we can take the support of another mom software or not there, guys. That's great. Tell me here, producer one, producer two, producer N. Here is what? Consumer one, consumer two, consumer N. Okay, here we are taking the support of multiple producers and multiple consumers. Are you getting my point there, guys? Multiple producers are taken, multiple consumers are taken. See, guys, multiple producers are sending messages. They will be received by multiple mom software, right? And they will be delivered to multiple consumers are not there, guys. They will be delivered to multiple consumers are not there, guys. Super, guys. First message goes to first mom software and goes to first consumer. Second message goes to second mom software, goes to second consumer. Like this, boss, chat box will be there. If I close the chat box, how can I see your queries, Ra? One day you adjust. Every day offline students are having chat box only, right? Please, if I close the chat box, how can I see your messages? Right. Maybe some settings got disturbed, don't worry. Kafka message broker or broker server or mom software. These many. It behaves like a mom or broker to receive the message from sender, to hold them as needed and to deliver to consumer. Regular mom software only. When Kafka server is started, one instance of macOS broker will be created automatically and it can be increased as needed. On demand, it can be increased. Next, guys. Collection of message broker instances. Or a message broker means mom. Together is called what? Kafka message broker cluster. And we can add any number of instances in one cluster. That means there is no limit to add instances. Is there any limit to add instances, guys? You can add any number of instances, right, boss? Next one. Apache Zookeeper is responsible to manage what? Message broker instances of cluster by applying what? Load balancer support. And it is also called as what? Bootstrap server, because it is responsible to create cluster having single instances and increasing instances as needed. Apache Zookeeper is load balancing about the mom software. This is also called Bootstrap server. Why? When you start Zookeeper, one instance of mom software is created. As needed, it will start adding more instances are not there. So that's why can I call Zookeeper as what? Bootstrap server are not there, guys. Apache Kafka ecosystem is equal to Bootstrap server plus message broker cluster. Bootstrap server, Zookeeper plus message broker set of mom softwares. But who manages load balance among the mom softwares? Zookeeper. And who is responsible to start mom softwares? Who is responsible to create more instances of mom software? Zookeeper. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. అయిపోయింది కొద్దిసేపు అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కొద్దిసేపు తీసుకురమ్మా 6 o'clock కావాలి చెప్పు 5:45 కావాలి అంత ఒక పావు గంట వాడుకొని మళ్ళీ ఇచ్చేది ఓకే The Apache Kafka message broker gets message from sender or publisher application in a serialized format and it delivers to consumer or subscriber in what? Deserialized format. Receives, delivers, receives and delivers. So basically, Kafka software basically looks like this now, boss. Kafka software, Zookeeper is there, mom cluster is there. In that mom cluster, come on guys, set of mom softwares are there or not there? Sender preparing the message and delivering the message in serialized format. One of the mom software receives the message, holds the message. Once receives is ready to receive the message, it delivers the message to that consumer or not there, guys? It delivers the message to that consumer or not, guys? Come on, everyone. These mom softwares will be created dynamically on demand. These mom softwares will be created dynamically on demand. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Kafka do not support what? PTP model messaging. That means point to point is not there. That means the message broker or mom cannot have queue as the destination. A PTP model destination is called queue, right? Pub sub model destination is a topic. Remembered? Pub sub model destination is what? Topic. Okay, Kafka supports only pub sub model. That means one message can have multiple consumers are not there. In PTP model, one message can have only one consumer. In pub sub model, one message can have one consumer or multiple consumer. One consumer or multiple consumer. Okay. To send message only to one consumer, we take the support of what? Topic. Are you want to send message to one consumer or more consumer? You have to take the support of what, guys? Topic only the option. Topic only option. Okay. Kafka supports only pub-sub model. That means message broker can have only topic as the destination. Okay. To send message only to one consumer or multiple consumer. One consumer or multiple consumer. One consumer or multiple consumer. We take the support of what? Topic destination. What destination, guys? We definitely take the support of what? Topic destination. Convinced with me, my dear. Come on. For one message, one topic destination is created or what? Allocated. That stores given data or message in partition. That stores given data or messages in what? Partition. Every partition of the message is identified with an index of like what? 0, 1, 2, 3. These indexes are technically called as what? Offsets. These indexes are technically called as what? Offsets. For one message, one topic destination is created or allocated. That stores given message in partition. A huge number of messages will be split into partition, guys. Every partition of the message is identified with what? Indexes. These indexes are technically called what? Offsets. Array. Even array indexes are called offsets, guys. Come on. In Kafka messaging, for one consumer, one message broker instance will be allocated at a time. So to send one message to 5 consumers, we need how many senders? One sender, one message, one topic with a section or partition. And how many mom softwares are required? 5 mom software. Okay, it will send message to how many brokers, guys? How many consumers, guys? 5 consumers. It will send message to how many consumers, guys? 5 consumers. Convinced or not, my dear? Come on, everyone. One sender sends one message. It will go and store into one topic destination. But since I want to pass to 5 consumer, how many mom softwares are created? 5. That will be delivered to 5 consumers are not there. So we have a cluster of mom software, not the single mom software. That's the beauty of Kafka compared to JMS. At a time, the message broker reads one partition data takes the data, replicates the data, clones the data, and sends to what? Consumer. That means each large message or data will be stored into what? Multiple partition of the topic, and message broker reads the data from all partition and sends to what? Respect to consumer. Big message in topic destination will not be stored as it is. It will be split into partition. From the partition, message is gathered, mixed, and delivered to what? Consumer. Gathered, mixed, and delivered to what? Consumer. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Simple theory. Sender or producer created ABC as the big message, na boss? Super, guys. That message is that. In the topic, one topic is created, having partition. Okay, A is a separate partition, B is separate partition, C is separate partition. Created or not created? Super, boss. Next, how many consumers are there? 3. How many mom softwares will be created? 3. How many mom softwares are created, guys? 3. First mom software collects a message from topic destination partition, clubs the message, sends to consumer 1. Second mom software collects the message from topic partition, clubs the message, sends to consumer 2, and same thing is done by message broker also, guys. Same task is done by message broker also. What do you say, guys? Same task is also done by message broker or not there, guys? Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. All these things, guys. Come on, everyone. That's good. Each message broker instance is capable of reading message from multiple sections of the topic destination, replicates the message parts, come on, merges the message parts, sends the message to what? Respect to consumer. Already we discussed it now, boss. Big message is sent. One topic destination is created. Okay, having partition. Okay, for each consumer, one message broker is created. Message broker reads the message from what? Topic destination. Come on. And gives that one to consumer or not there, guys. Apache Kafka terminologies. Message broker or mom. The mediator or middleman that will transfer message to consumer by reading message or data from topic or topic partition is called mom software or not there? Is it technically called as mom software or not there, guys? Next one, what is that? Kafka cluster. Collection or group of message broker instances which are created based on what? Consumers count is called Kafka cluster. 3 consumers, 3 mom softwares are created or not created. Next one, topic. The memory that holds message sent by producer in parts. A topic memory, Babu. It's a memory in what? A Kafka ecosystem, which holds the messages part by part are not there, guys. Next, producer. What is there? The application or component that sends a message to topic memory in what? Serialized format. What format, guys? Serialized format. Are you getting my point there, guys? The application or component that sends a message to topic memory in what format? Serialized format. That's good. Consumer. The application or component that reads the message from topic memory through message broker in deserialized format. What form, guys? Deserialized format. Okay. Call the in deserialized format. Are you getting my point there, guys? Urgent speakers కావాలి చూడు. కాదు, నాకు ఇప్పుడు అర్జెంట్ వేరే స్టూడెంట్ జాయిన్ అయ్యారు, వాయిస్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ పైన ఉండాలి కదా, ఆల్రెడీ మార్నింగ్ ఉండాలి కదా. ప్రొడ్యూసర్ ఇన్ పార్ట్స్. ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్ దేర్, గైస్? కమ్ ఆన్. ఓకే. ప్రొడ్యూసర్. ఓకే. Producer. The application or component that sends a message to topic memory in which format? Serialized format. Consumer. The application or component that reads the message from topic memory through what? Message broker. In what format? Deserialized format. Right? Next one. Offset or what? Index. Or when message is stored in what? Topic memory through indexing, that is technically called offset or not, guys? The ID or index given to partition message or data in topic is called as what? Offset. Next, what is there? Zookeeper or bootstrap server. Handle message broker cluster and topic memory while managing what? Message broker cluster. It will do load balancing. Which message should go to which message mom instance? Okay, will be decided by what? Zookeeper, also called as bootstrap server, are not there. Also called as bootstrap server are not there, guys. Come on, everyone. Last one, replica factor. Replica means what? Duplication factor. The number of cloned or duplicate messages that should be created in order to send it, in order to send in order to send the messages to consumer through message broker. Generally, it is decided based on what? Consumer count. Generally, it is decided based on what, guys? Consumer count. If there are 10 consumer, replica factor is what? 1 by 10. That means one message is cloned for how many times, guys? 10 times. 5 consumer, replication factor will be what, guys? 1 by 5. One message will be cloned for 5 times or not there. Replication factor. The number of cloned or duplicate messages that should be created in order to send the messages to consumer through what? Message broker. Generally, it is decided based on what? Consumer count. Okay, guys. Consumer count is 3. Okay. Replica factor we have to take as 3. Okay. Consumer count is 10. We have to go for what? 10. 10 as the count. Okay. Basic workflow diagram, guys. Apache Kafka workflow diagram. Number one, we executed the sender or producer that has created a ABC big message or not there. That message will go to Kafka setup. That means total Kafka software setup in a serialized format or not there. Number D, Zookeeper, which is a bootstrap server who actually identifies the message and creates one. D is Zookeeper identifies the message arrival. E, topic is created with sections are not there. That is E. Come on, guys. Topic is created inside the sections, inside the partitions of the topic. Message is stored or not there, guys? Definitely message is stored. Yeah, tell me. Okay. Next one, FG. FG. Based on number of consumers, GH. Okay, observe very carefully. G. FG. What is the consumer count, guys? Uh, 3. So this message is read and how many cloned copies are created? 3. How many cloned copies are created, guys? How many cloned copies are created, guys? 3. Okay. How many instances are created? 3. And through this mom, 3 instances of mom, the message will be delivered to 3 consumers in deserialized format or not there? Once again, the message will be consumed in deserialized format or not there, guys? Super. A, producer is executed. B, message is prepared. That message is sent to Apache Kafka setup in serialized format. D, zookeeper. What is there? Zookeeper identifies message arrival. It will create one topic. In that topic, partitions are created. In those partition, big message is kept in partitions are not there. Okay, next E, F. F is that. Next one, guys. G. What is there? G. Listen carefully. Uh, G. The topic becomes ready to consume the message. To consume the message. Okay, in that process, number of consumers are started now, boss. Based on that, come on, guys. Number of mom softwares are created or not there, and those many times message is replicated or not there, guys. Okay, that is what I. H is starting consumers. I is what? Creating multiple mom softwares based on the consumer count and replicating the message for those many times, right? Next what? I. Using each mom software, each consumer receives the message in deserialized format or not there. That's it, guys. Each message broker instance is capable of reading message from multiple sections of the topic destination. Okay, replicates the message part, message merges the message part, sends the message to respective consumer or not there. It simply sends a message to respective consumer or not there. Here is the explanation about those things, guys. What are the numbers I talk about? Those numbers I am talking. Okay, right. Connect fast, connect fast. Students are waiting. Yeah, now I want to arrange Apache Kafka software. It's a small zip file extraction, guys. This is the zip file you have to download. You have to extract it. It will be ready. And it will come with a built-in Zookeeper software. You need not to install Zookeeper separately. You need not to install Zookeeper separately. Okay. 1 minute. Aarti, can you unmute your mic?
Hello.
Aarti, can you
Yes, sir.
unmute your mic?
Yes, sir. Am I audible? Hello.
Can you unmute your mic?
Hello. Am I audible,
Guys,
sir?
is Aarti audible for you? She is audible. Okay, I think problem with offline mics. Problem with offline mics, huh? Morning also same problem. Evening also same problem. How, yeah, wait. Offline students are having problem. Offline students are having problem. How to solve this problem, guys? Join someone from offline, put the mobile speaker in mic. put the mobile speaker in mic. I think this idea works. Arthi, give me 2 minutes. Someone log in your mobile, guys. Someone log in your mobile. No one is having meeting ID. I think I don't have WebEx.
But whenever we are finding any issues, so those basic are help. It's just like a small issues, but the basic, it's like you can fix the issue within some minutes. If you are really facing a lot of problems, so some more time it will take, but only the basic will help to solve the problems. So yeah, I totally worked in a three companies, and currently, if I talk about the package basis, so I switch in three companies. I directly switch more than the 100% hike every time. So because of the sir guidance and the knowledge, and after day by day, we using ourself learning also, because uh, market goes market enhance in year basis. So now, yeah, but the base which I learned from sir, it's help a lot every time. It's now still whenever it's still if we are switching, it's still the same thing I'm utilizing in the market. So yeah.
Yeah. Uh, Arti, people have some questions.
Yeah, sure.
Something like this. Uh, while doing preparation, how you, I think
Yeah,
your brother is still working.
yeah,
Your brother is working still.
yeah.
Okay. Next
So
weekend, please make him ready to give his success journey to the students. I know he's a bit shy guy. I hope you have to convince him.
yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah, you
So
convince him next Saturday. I need him. Okay, I need his success stories to be shared with all people. Go ahead. Go ahead.
yeah, sure. So I got three questions. So let me answer one by one. So how I handle myself when while preparing. So actually, nothing I had done. It's like the basic routine I was following. So I attending the morning classes. All three classes I was attending in the morning, and after the noon, after the lunch, I just giving my time for the experimenting. So practicing. That's it. And I was like early person, so that's why I choose this timing. So I was started attending my classes like 7 to 1, three classes I was attending, and then after that I was giving entire my time to the preparation. So till 9 o'clock, I was practicing everything and then finishing the day. So whenever I am going for a sleep, it's like entire day is finished, nothing remaining for the next day. That was my approach. And I always give 1 hour time to my friends, like roam in the road, enjoy like chit chat. So I never feel like extra burden I have. That was my routine. And I never feel like I have any pressure or anything. So I join industry as a fresher. So I just pass out and then giving my time for the preparation and then join the industry. I started my career with a package of 4.5. Now my current package is 30 LPA, and first I switch with the 11, and then after that I switch with the 23, and now my so like promotion is happening, and right now I'm the same company, so like 30 LPA is currently my package.
Yeah, people wants to know you are from which location and now you are working in which location, and how you planned this entire learning process. Like what
uh
motivated you to do all this thing, because almost you shifted different places, right?
yeah,
As far I know, you belongs to somewhere in north. You
yeah,
learned courses in Hyderabad. I think, as I remembered in our last conversation, you are now staying in Bangalore, right?
yeah.
Yeah,
um
what motivated you to do this much hard work as a girl student?
So I I don't think so. It's like based on a gender. I feel anything because in my home, like my parents never treated as a girl or boy, so they always treated me the same. So when I was in college, in the second year, that time only because I'm from Madhya Pradesh and my friends was coming to Naresh IT. They know HK sir and Natraj sir, so they always tell about you guys, like how you guys are teaching, how you are providing experience to the students. So, like that is amazing. So I listening a lot, and I was trying to come, but not able to get chance because of my background, not from the IT, no one from the IT. So everyone is like government, the government side, my parents and my family members. So like, okay, they don't have much idea about the IT. So I was taking the decision, but not got chance in the second year. But in a fourth year, I was clearing my aptitude and all, but not able to clear my technical skills based round. So my parents like agree, okay, whatever you wanted to do, go and do it. So I then after that I decided to let's go to Hyderabad and start learning because I already have this view. Okay, I can get whatever knowledge I wanted to get. I can get from the Naresh IT. So that was my started. That's how I started my journey, and then now I'm here, and still I'm learning. So first, I have I learned some courses like UI, Java, backend, and the database basic I learned and joined the industry day by day. Every day, it's like feel like a learning. So always giving time. Initially, I was not giving time to extra learn because of the theory part and practical was totally different. So I was putting more time to the company and started learning. But now, after 2 years, I started to ask to myself to learn new thing because maybe I'm not using in my current project. Maybe it will help to work in a next project or next company. So I will always give some time to learn the new thing. So yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Arti. I think your orientation is missed for the morning students. Can you give some 10-15 minutes on Monday?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Monday around 11:30, 11:45.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah, please join in by using the same old meeting ID which we have used in the morning hours.
Yeah, sure, sir.
And moreover, most important thing is I need your brother's orientation next Saturday.
Yeah, sure. I will talk to him.
Okay, because I think he is a bit shy guy, but you have to handle
Yeah.
him, right?
Yeah,
Fine.
we'll do that, sir.
And
Yeah.
if any other friends are there, like in your batch or seniors, juniors, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So every weekend I'm planning to introduce one person, and please share their details to me, or I'll share the meeting ID and ask them to join on that particular day whenever I request. Okay, na?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure, sir.
we'll talk on it. We'll talk on it later, right? Thank you.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Huh? Who said? I think yesterday. Okay, that girl also from MP, but boy is from not from MP. Okay, you will get other places people also. Don't worry. You will get other places people also. Acha. Right. Yeah. Yeah. People are there from Telugu states. People are there from. But one thing is like I generally select those people who are bit open to speak. Some people they achieved more than this, but they are not open to speak. They are bit shy kind of thing. And some people might have shown gap as experience, so they're afraid to come in front of a crowd. They're definitely afraid to come in front of crowd. Okay, let's come back to the subject, guys. So first of all, one zip file is there, you have to extract it. So with that I can say Apache Kafka software is ready, guys. Call someone who is from Odisha. There are so many students from Odisha, boss. If Odisha is not there, India will stop working. So that much dependency is there. That much dependency is there with Orissa. Especially metropolitan cities will stop working, right? You pick up any sector, they are there, right from fourth class jobs to IT jobs, everywhere. Okay. Um, yeah, Bihar people also there. Okay. No, in all metropolitan cities, all things are, all people are staying nowadays, right? Okay. Rachat. Yeah, Rachat. I think after your exit from Hyderabad, Hyderabad is breathing very safely. Okay. Pakistan. No, Pakistans are not there, guys. But I heard people are attending online classes from Pakistan also. One, two times it happened. Okay, guys. Tell me. Yeah, we used to get students from Somalia and Afghanistan. Right. Okay. Now, shall we go for this? Now, shall we keep the things ready, guys? Apache, Kafka. I think Apache, Kafka. No, Russians are not into IT industry. They are busy. They are very busy selling their petrol and diesel. Okay. Super, guys. Yeah. Let's come back to the subject. Yeah. Here I am taking Apache, Kafka, Kafka. Yeah. Kafka, that is fine, but Kafka installation is doing here, na boss? Yes, Kafka installation is done here. Okay. Kafka, I think this is 3.1, 3.6.1, whatever it is. Yeah. So we are already having Kafka. Just download the zip file and extract the zip file. Okay. Super. Copy this file to E drive or anywhere, fine. That's not a big issue. Kafka software setup gives commands in the form of batch files to deal with ready-made senders and ready-made receiver application. First setup, what I'm going to use is I'm not going to develop my code as sender application, my code as receiver application. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a ready-made sender, ready-made receiver, ready-made topic, everything ready-made. A small chat application in PubSub model, but not by using user-defined sender and receiver, by using what? Predefined sender and receiver. Predefined means what? Kafka supplied senders and receiver, not Spring Boot supplied senders and receiver. Okay, right. So let's start doing that, guys. First, I have to start what? Zookeeper. Nothing but Bootstrap server. I have to start it now, my dear. Okay, guys. Okay, and listen, guys. Sometimes this zookeeper will give a lot of headache, guys. Keeping that in mind, there will be some temp folder, boss. What folder? Temp. In this temp folder, Kafka related some log files are created, right? Make sure that they are deleted. Otherwise, anyhow, you don't get any problem because you never started Kafka in lifetime, right? So for me, it will be problem. So first time I struggled a lot. After doing a lot of R&D, I realized this temp folder should be emptied every day. Okay. I delete that, guys. I hope that is gone. Kafka. I think this is the right software up. Yeah, 3.6, 3 point. Okay. Bin directory. Here is my what? Windows. Bin directory. Here is my what? Windows. Okay, that's good. Yeah, first I want to start Zookeeper. Array, this is a bootstrap server. That only activates the Kafka setup by giving one mom software minimum. If needed, it will increase. If you create more consumer, more this. Yeah, there is a for everything there is a command. In Windows folder, there is a command, guys. But what I did, to avoid confusion. Okay, where is this common log files? Class content, Spring. Okay, common topics. What is this? Kafka. I maintained one text file having those commands. I maintained one text file having those commands, I think. Okay. This is the command one, right? Okay. Okay. Let's not disturb that. I'll take another folder, D drive, Kafka 3.6.1, bin directory. Here is what? Windows, say CMD. Here is what? Windows, say paste. Bootstrap server is ready or not ready? Bootstrap server is ready or not ready, guys? Yeah, Zookeeper is ready or not ready, guys? That's great. That's really, really great. Zookeeper is ready. Okay. Next, start Apache Kafka software setup. Apache Kafka, but make sure that webdem variable is added to what is that? Web wbem variable is added to path environment variable. What guys? Path environment variable. Okay, that's good. Right click, show more options, properties, show more options, properties. Tell me now. Okay, system, advanced environment variables. Where is that, guys? It's giving wrong. This PC. This PC, show more options, properties, advanced system settings, environment variable, path, path. Okay, not this user variables. In user variables only you have to add it now, boss. Okay, user variables, path. System 32 added, that's good. Hmm. Along with the system 32, let me also add what? System 32 webm folder also. What folder, guys? Webm. Copy this, new, say paste. Okay, slash webm. One more folder is added here or not there? Okay, move up, up, up. Say okay, done, done. That's great. That's great. This is what we need to understand or not there, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is the value. Path webm is added or not there. Okay. That is an independent one. Now I'm starting Kafka server start. All these are commands. So Bootstrap server started. Now Kafka server I am starting, guys. Okay, but commands you need not to mug up, guys. Happily we have kept these things here. Copy this. Tell me here. One more command prompt. Where is this? One more time command prompt. Here is my command prompt. CMD. What is there, guys? CMD. Tell me here what is there? Paste. Yes, guys. Kafka server is also started. Zookeeper is started. Kafka server is started. Right. Yeah. Make sure that no exceptions are raised. If the temp folder is there, Towards starting Kafka server, we get the problems. But right now, no problems. Right now, are you going to face any problems, guys? No. That's good. Yeah. Next one, tell me here. I'm trying to create a topic. Yeah, see, I'm giving the location of the property file that is required to start the zookeeper server. I'm giving the location of property file that is required to start the server. Look at this command. Kafka topic is the command hyphen create. Okay, hyphen create. Actually to create topic only, but I'm giving the location of the bootstrap server. Bootstrap server is running on what? 9092. Replication factor. I know I'm going to start only one consumer. That's why I'm taking what? One. And I know I'm going to use small messages. Only one partition I am taking. Topic name is what? Any name I can give. This is logical name of the topic. It can be anything. This is my choice number. This is my choice number. This is bootstrap server port number. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Okay. Now let's see the order of command zookeeper and master. It's meaningless now, boss. First zookeeper, then Kafka server. Because Kafka server uses zookeeper, right? Common sense, Ranaina. What is the most important prerequisite to attend my classes? Common sense. When Kafka is using zookeeper, when and when topic is created inside the Kafka, so I will first create a topic, then I will start Kafka. Means how does it work, guys? No, na. First plate, then rice. No, not first rice, then plate, right? While eating food, first you have to show the plate, arrange the plate, then you have to keep the food, right? Are you going to put reverse? No. Okay, guys. Tell me here, what is this? Kafka topics. What topic, guys? Kafka topic. Okay, reflection factor 1. Replica factor is 1. Partition also 1. Name of the topic. Okay. TPC. Okay. 515. Some name. TPC 515. That's a logical name. Remaining all fixed, guys. Only logical name. Happily topic is created. Check it out. One topic is created or not there. Okay. That window is free now. I said I have ready-made producer, ready-made consumer. Okay. Generally, first we create a consumer, then producer. So that producer produce message will go to consumer or not there. Okay. First I am starting consumer here. Copy this. Anyhow, this window is free I'm using, right? Say, are a pub sub model, right? 515. Consumer is listening for the messages. A consumer is listening for the message. If you want, you can take a more consumers also. It's not like that. Okay. This is done, guys. Now I'm going to one more window here. I'm going to one more window there. Okay. One more window there. There I'm going for producer. I'm going for produce. Here is my producer are not there, guys. Super. Let's have a look on it. Kafka console producer.bat 9092. Here is what? 515. What is the message you want to send? Hello. That is my choice. Hello. Enter. Okay, guys. Now let's see. Hello message is coming or not coming. Okay, maybe not coming, right? Not, let me type the next message. Hi. Look at this. Hi is coming over there or not there? Coming, ra? Noah. How can you say no, ra? Confused, huh? Okay, I'll show both back to back. Okay, how are you? How are you? Okay, how do you do? How do you do? It's coming or not there, guys. Right. Now I'll take one more consumer, boss. I'll take one more consumer. I'll take one more consumer, CMD. I'll take one more consumer, CMD. If this is big message, then partition will happen, right? If you mention, it will happen. If you don't mention, it won't happen. We have taken only one partition. Now, if you take three partition, it will happen. Anyway, all these are internal work. For understanding internals, we studied all this stuff, but we are not going to do anything manual. Okay, guys. Tell me here, where is this? Copy this. Oh, we need consumer, right? But we have taken only one replication factor. Let's see. Because we are supposed to take two replication factor for two consumers. Okay, how does it will work out ALC? Say paste. What is the TPC 51? TPC 515. First window, second window, third window. Array, I need all three windows at a time. Right. This is typing na. How are you? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. That came here. Also comes to first consumer. Already started consumer. I think this is already started consumer, guys. Okay. Now focus. Right. Okay. Good morning. Good morning came in both places or not there. So that means it's supporting pub sub model or not there. Okay, that's good. But we are not here to enjoy this. Okay. We are not here. We want to create sender and receiver in our Spring Boot application. That is my requirement, right? My requirement is what? Creating sender and receiver in Spring Boot. Even topic calls I want to create dynamically from Spring Boot. Only Kafka server and Zookeeper I will start manually. Remaining everything should happen from what? Spring Boot only. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. So now let's do that work, guys. Let's do that work. Yeah, here I have given out of my experience and frustration. I have given one note. Check it out. If Zookeeper server start giving connection timeout exception, then delete Kafka related log files. All the folders and files in what? D:/temp folder. I know the pain of that. Okay, boss. Now, but we are going to develop what? Spring Boot based sender and receiver application. So for that one, we need to keep our Eclipse ID ready now, my dear. Let's keep Eclipse ID ready. Let's keep That's great. Yeah. Tell me next one. 515. Launch it. White label error is coming. Coming means maybe wrong URL, maybe wrong URL and other stuff. Check it out. File open. File open, guys. Okay. Spring Boot plus Apache Kafka API. Spring Boot gives built-in support to Apache Kafka. It even gives certain objects automatically through what? Auto configuration process, right? If a Spring Boot starter Apache Kafka dependencies added to application, then we get what? Kafka template class object through auto configuration, which internally take care of what? Creating Kafka producer record objects that are required to send the messages. Are fine, Rababu. Kafka template is there that will take care of sending process. Towards sending, it internally uses what? Producer and producer record object. Producer record is nothing but message kind of thing. Kafka producer internally sends message as what? Producer record object. Producer class component. On the top of it, we can write this. Okay, we can place Kafka listener name and group ID annotation on the method of listener class to make message broker to collect the message received to topic. That means it internally take care of what? Creating Kafka consumer object and consumer record object. Kafka consumer object and what? Consumer record object. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's good. Kafka consumer internally receives message as what? Consumer record object. Kafka producer sends message as what? Producer record. And Kafka consumer receives the message as what? This one. Everyone. Kafka producer sends the message, producer record object. Kafka consumer receives the message as what? Consumer record object. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super, guys. Tell me. We can place Kafka listener annotation on the method of listener class to make message broker to collect the message received to topic section. That means internally take care of what? Creating Kafka consumer and consumer record object. And while sending, Kafka producer is required message as producer record. While receiving, Kafka consumer and message as Kafka consumer record. How the sample code looks, guys? Okay. Group ID is no problem. Anything you can give. Public void read message string message. NIT TPC Friday. Array that topic name, whatever a topic name is there, you have to pass. Array like at the rate JMS listener here. What is there? Kafka listener is in JMS listener is there na, right? We need to add enable Kafka on the top of main class. Super. We can get message from end users as request parameter through REST controller, microservice, all this stuff. But I don't want to do that application first. What I want to do is, okay, example application of Apache Kafka. Okay, as a simple Spring Boot application. First, we want to develop this, right? As a Spring Boot standalone application. As a Spring Boot standalone applications. Okay. File new. Where is this? Spring Starter project. Spring Starter project. Okay, guys. System is a bit slow. Yeah, ID is just launched, na? That's why. Yeah. What is this? Boot Apache Kafka. Okay. Pros 01. Yeah, actually, I have to close other projects also. 01. Can I call it as a publisher, guys? Publish. Okay, I'll develop as a standalone only. 21, that's good. Okay, say next. Say next. Where is that, guys? Kafka. Spring Apache Kafka is there or not there, guys? Okay. Apache Kafka is there or not there, guys? Command line runner, topic name, this. Okay, guys. What is the starter that we need to add? Video not coming up. Check your side. From my side, no issues, guys. Depend Kafka, Lambak API, Dev Tools. Okay, today simple messages only I'm planning, guys. Lambak API I'll take on safe side. I may need it. Okay, Kafka, that's good. Next one. Dev Tools for dynamic changes to recognize the dynamic changes. Spring Boot Dev Tools to recognize the dynamic changes. That's great. To recognize the dynamic changes, we have to take this. One minute, guys. Boot Apache Kafka Pros 1. What is there, guys? Publisher. Boot Apache Kafka Pros 1 publisher. First of all, we need to think about connectivity now, boss. We need to think about connectivity kind of thing. Just a minute. Yes. This is subscriber, leave it. Producer related thing. Producer related thing. This is my own key, guys. Application.tpc.name, something I can take. Spring.kafka.producer.bootstrap server port number. Producer key serializer. String serializer. Alright, it sends a message as a serialized content using which class you want to do that serialization. This class. Value serializer. Okay. String serializer. Value I want to serialize. Key I want to serialize. Shall we see that, guys? Okay, here is my application.properties. What is there, guys? Application.properties. Tell me, guys, what is this? Topic name. What name? Topic name. What's happening to ID, Babu? Dancing. Application.tpc.name. Application.tpc.name. Tell me what is this? Okay, TPC. Okay, I will take 51515. Okay, 515. Okay, 51. Some other number I'll take. Already 515 is there now. We can use the same one also, but why to take a chance? Let's use the new thing. Okay, connect to Apache Kafka setup. Connect to Apache Kafka setup. Yes, how to connect to Apache Kafka setup, guys? Spring dot, tell me. Kafka dot, Spring dot, Kafka dot, producer dot, bootstrap server. Producer dot, tell me. Bootstrap server. Bootstrap server. Are you getting my point there, guys? Bootstrap server sa server. Server only it is showing, but I got servers. What is right? What is right? 1 minute. It's producer. Spring dot Kafka dot producer dot bootstrap server. Let me check producer dot bootstrap servers only. My mistake. What is there? Localhost 9092. Hey, if you don't want to type, you can collect from ChatGPT, right, boss? Spring.kafka.producer.key serialize. Kafka.producer.key serializer. What is there? Key serializer is equal to some lengthy class name is there na, boss? String serializer. What is there? String serializer. Array, what is the class it should be used to serialize the key? Array, every message will go as a key value pair, right? Mr. Kishore, you know serialization, deserialization, and producer sends a message to Kafka scepter as a serialized content using which class you want to serialize. I think 2 minutes back I said, Naina, using which class you want to serialize key of the message and value of the message, right? D fellows. I think 2 minutes back only I said, na, using which class consumer receives the message as a deserialized content. There I have to mention deserialization classes, right, boss? Producer dot key serializer. What is the package name, guys? Apache org dot Apache dot Kafka dot org dot. Tell me. Apache dot Kafka dot common dot. What is next? Serialization dot string serializer. What is there? String serializer. String serializer. Right, boss? Right. Copy this, paste it. Yeah, tell me here. Value serializer is equal to, what is next one? String serialize. Okay, same thing I am using. Everything same or something is different. Value serializer. Here also value serializer. Okay, this is done, boss. Okay, I'm taking runner as producer as the runner. Right click, guys. New. What is there? Class. Producer. What is there? Producer. Producer runner. Producer runner. Implements what, guys? Command line runner. That's good. Implements what? Command line runner. Oh, generally we try to keep in a package now, boss. Com dot nt dot runners. Com dot nt dot runners. It's coming in a runners package, guys. Oh, okay. Add unimplemented methods. Add unimplemented methods. I'll make this one as at the rate component. In our style, we'll make it as at the rate component. Here. Okay. Tell me. Private Kafka template. What template? Kafka template. Key is string, value is string. Generally, we have taken string. Here is what? Template. At the rate auto. Okay, guys. Private string. TPC name. What name, guys? TPC. At the rate value. Dollar floor bracket opening and what? Closing. Opening and what? Closing. Application dot TPC dot name. Application dot TPC dot name. Array, in the property file, we used the same thing now, my dear. Yes. Okay, that is taken, boss. Tell me next one. We have to, I'm taking scanner to read the message, guys, nothing else. Okay, instead of hard coding, I'm just taking what? Scanner to read the message. Producer, public. Scanner is taken. I'm continuously taking the message, guys. Until I say end, until I give the message end, by using do while, I'm continuously taking the message or not there. To get the same feel, guys, whatever we get through commands, same chat effect I want to get here, right? Same chat effect I want to get here. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of, what is there? System dot in. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. New scanner of system dot in. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Okay. String message is equal to null. What is equal to null? Message is equal to null. Here is my what? Try. Here is what? Try. Not try, guys. Do while. I want to take a do flow, open floor bracket and closing floor bracket while, okay, message not equal to, message equals, no, while message equals not equals. equals end. Message equals end, not equal to. Because condition to continue the loop, guys. Okay. Not equal to end. Tell me. Sys out, enter message. Enter message. MSG is equal to what dot? SC dot next. SC dot next. Okay. Tell me now here what I am doing. Template dot send. Template dot send. Okay. What is the method I used for sending message? Topic name and message. Nothing great. What is the topic name? TPC name at the top. What is the message? MSG. But this will do this work continuously or not there. Okay. Okay. With this, I can confidently say what is ready, guys? Message. But to tell that it is not a normal application, okay, it's a Kafka application, I must write at the rate enable Kafka. At the rate enable Kafka. I have to add that one or not there. Same thing I have to do for uh, consumer also, guys. Let's develop the consumer, right? What is this? Other Spring Starter project, guys. What project? Spring Starter project. Boot Apache Kafka Pros 2. What is there, guys? Subscriber. What, guys? Subscriber. Subscriber. Me when jar all this stuff. Say next. Subscriber, say next. Yeah, tell me here, what is this? Lambda, Spring Web. Okay, web is not required. These two are enough. Say next, save. Say next, save, finish. Okay, guys. Tell me, guys. Yeah, pros to what is there? Subscriber. Pros to what is there, guys? Subscriber. Okay, now listen. From producer, what we do, guys? Application dot properties. Copy this, boss. No, I need not to do everything, guys. These two things only we copy. But here, consumer reads through deserialization, right? Okay, now consumer reads through deserialization. See, guys, string deserializer, serializer. Here also key deserializer, value deserializer. Did you notice that, boss? Yes. Okay. Key deserializer, value deserializer. But key is also here consumer, not the producer, right? Here also, what is there? Consumer, not the producer. Here is what? Consumer, not the producer. String deserializer, string deserializer. That's good. Bootstrap servers, localhost 9092, string deserializer, consumer dot value deserializer, value deserializer. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. Close the chat box. File close all editors. What editors? Close all editor. A message is a key. Message. It will internally send content as key value pairs. Yashwant Reddy, 2 minutes back, someone asked the question. Message, the message is internally gone as what? Key value pairs, right? Message will go internally as a dynamic key and our message as the value. How they need to go? How they need to go? That's what. Rachapalli Yashwant Reddy, our messages only go internally as what? Key value pair. Our messages as values dynamically keys are generated. And now I got the, I hope you now clear, my dear. Yes. Subscriber, that's good. But here also I should add what, my dear? Enable Kafka. Enable Kafka. Okay. Connectivity part is over. Now I need to develop the consumer as a listener, having a Kafka listener kind of thing, right? Kafka listener kind of thing are not there, guys. Okay, that's good. Right click. Where is this? New package. Com dot nt dot com dot nt dot listener. What is there? Class. Tell me, guys. Uh, subscriber. Subscriber. Okay, subscriber application. Some name. Subscriber component. So basically, I will make it as what? Spring Bean. At the rate component. Public. Public. I'm going to get the message as what? Any method I can take. I can take any method. Public void read message. Not compulsory. String message. Okay, whatever message. This annotation is important. Kafka listener. What is there? Topics. From which topic you want to get? Only one topic. What is there? Dollar floor bracket. Application dot tpc dot name. Directly I can mention it. Okay, na? Next, group ID. Some grp one. You can give anything, guys. You can give anything, not a problem. System dot out dot println. Okay. Message is. What is there? Message is. Snore Syed. Indexing, all these are not my work. Internally, they will take care. MSC. The messages will be read and displayed or not there. That much easy, guys. Architecture we learn a lot of internals, but Spring Boot, if I do everything how it is called normal. Okay, right. One side publisher, one side subscriber. Okay. Yeah. So first I'll start the subscriber, guys. Okay, but first of all, I have to keep the server softwares ready, na? Zookeeper ready, Kafka software is ready. Fine. Only these two things are required. Anyhow, they are ready, guys. No problem. I have given execution order also. Zookeeper ready. Kafka software setup is ready. Run the subscriber application for multiple time with a different group IDs. Okay. Run the published application to send the message once. to send the message once. Okay. First one, I think this is the main method. Okay. Right click, run as a Java application. Run as what? Java application. Simply run as a Java application, guys. This is my group one or not there, guys. This is my group one. I'll run one more time by changing the group ID. I think I have not added dev tools. Huh? Okay, no problem. Anyhow, I'm running freshly now. Okay, fresh copy on. Run as Java. Total how many subscribers are there as of now? Two. Total how many subscribers are there, guys? Two. That's good. Now let's go for publisher, guys. Let's go for publisher. Right click, run as Java application. Anyhow, publisher is also yeah, enter message. What is there? Hello. It has published the message first time, but that message came to subscriber or not. Message hello. Second publisher, message that is publisher. First subscriber, hello. Second subscriber, hello. Came na? Again, publisher is asking for message na boss. Okay, hi. Hi. First subscriber is displaying the message. Displaying. Second subscriber is also displaying the hi message or like this. One message can have multiple consumers or not there. So whatever theory I talk, that's the internal process. We are least bothered. Kafka template will take care of everything. Actually, Kafka template internally prepares producer object, then producer record object representing the message. In that one dynamic key, that key value both are serialized using that serializer. But are we going to do all these things manually, boss? No. Everything is internally taken care or not there. Is it not interesting, boss? Come on. Okay, like this, we developed one producer and subscriber. But I want to give one more example, boss. Okay, with this time web-based example, REST-based example, I want to give. All right, boss. Okay, that I will take up tomorrow. Web-based example I'm going to give that I will take up tomorrow. Right now, let me give the material to you people. Tomorrow at what time we have that session? 7:15 a.m. Right? Yes. 7:15 a.m. we have that. Yeah. What are those things, guys? First, 5:30 p.m. Let me create a folder of Spring Boot, Kafka, Spring Boot, Kafka, right? Arey, don't remember properties, Ra Babu. Just stay. Concept you remember. Please, Ra Naina. First, give one software interview, you'll understand how the interview goes. They ask queries on concept, not on code. Okay. And because everyone knows while the time of coding, reference code will be there for copy paste, right? After these many days, also still confusion on that part. Need not to mug up the properties. In fact, code also you need not to mug up. Yeah, where is that? Messaging, Kafka. Yes, Kafka. Okay, I'm giving these commands also for you people for reference purpose. Yeah, what's the next batch? I have to do this work. 9 a.m. Spring Boot, Apache, Kafka. Spring Boot, Apache, Kafka. That's great. File upload. 1, 2, 3. It's clear. Okay. Next, I have to do same thing in 717 batch also. 7:30 a.m. Right click new folder.